want to plug it in, and I want my recorder to hear it.
Well, you can unplug it in. I mean, I'm not going to tell you what's wrong with it because I'm not a mechanic. I can only do...
Well, I brought it in for what's wrong with it now, and I got other things done instead. That's why I brought it in. It's because of that right there.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, there is. Doesn't sound like that normally.
Like I said, if we can look at it, if it's any of the parts that were already on there, we can warranty those parts. But if it's something else, there would be charges. If you didn't want those new parts installed, we'd have to give it back to you in pieces per OSHA.
Per OSHA. No, I'll just take it to Channel 2 News.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it. Bunch of horse shit. I'll just take it to somebody else and let them look at it and give me a diagnosis. That's what I'll do. And then I'll be back. Fucking goddamn stupid motherfuckers. Why would y'all park that behind me? Why would you park it behind me? I want some of this. Damn. Trying to get out of here.